case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2001, a legal entanglement emerged from the technology industry that was to stir the waters of international law. The dispute arose between Supermicro Computer Inc., a California-based firm, and French company Digitechnic S.A. The cause? Alleged defective computer parts sold by the Californian firm to its French counterpart. The crux of the issue, however, revolved around the ambiguity of a warranty disclaimer in a purchase order, with Supermicro insisting that the only remedy available to Digitechnic was repair or replacement of the faulty merchandise. This dispute swiftly escalated into legal battles on both sides of the Atlantic. Supermicro filed a lawsuit in the United States, seeking a declaration from the court that the sold parts were not defective. In contrast, Digitechnic fired back with a case filed in France, while simultaneously seeking for a stay or dismissal of the U.S. lawsuit, invoking the principle of international abstention. In an unexpected twist, the United States District Court for the Northern District of California, where Supermicro had filed its lawsuit, declined to exercise jurisdiction. Instead, it favored handing over the matter to its French counterpart. The ruling was representative of a concept in jurisdiction known as international abstention, the idea that a court can choose not to hear a case if it would be better handled by a foreign jurisdiction, and provided there aren't any independent legal issues that warrant its involvement. The court's reasoning was guided by an interest in avoiding duplicate litigations and resolving unnecessary determinations of state law issues. It also aimed to discourage forum shopping, the strategic practice of selecting the court most likely to provide a favorable judgment. Taking the bold step of dismissing the case, the U.S. court held the view that the French commercial court was aptly equipped to adjudicate upon the matter, having already started investigating the dispute's facts. In the final analysis, the United States District Court decided that dismissing the case without prejudice was not only preferable, but directly supportive of the convenience factors. Thus, after a series of legal twists and turns, the plaintiff's motion for partial summary adjudication was ultimately denied, and the defendant's motion to dismiss was granted. In the end, the action was dismissed without prejudice, leaving the French court with the unenviable task of unraveling this complex international dispute.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.